As you travel to this location, just 78 kilometers from Kochi, from a distance, the waterfalls fail to impress. Countless locals were dismissive about the Athirappally and Vazhachal waterfalls, perhaps because they are so accustomed to their beauty. There is a reason why these waterfalls have been compared to the Niagara Falls. Many would say it's an unfair comparison, but it's the best we have. And the waterfalls are truly magnificent in terms of sheer size, raw beauty and power. As you inch closer to the waterfalls, whichever way you approach them, whichever angle you look at them, there is an unmistakable sense of awe. The sounds of the water crashing down 80 feet is enough to drown out any doubt you may have had about its magnificence. It's a perfect salve for the tired soul. You can crawl into a woody alcove near the waterfalls and just spend your day savoring the sounds of the forest and the urgency of the water as it drops from the top of the cliff, smashing on rocks below, after which it joins the Chalakudi River. During the day, especially during weekends, you might have to dodge picnicking crowds, but the rest of the time you can be assured you'll find a spot to call your own, far from the madding crowd. The waterfalls are at once wild and bewitching. You can watch colors of the rainbow dance across the water on a bright day, the water crystal clear and shimmering with a life of its own. The forests in the region are thick with vegetation and house more than 319 species of flowering plants. You never know what treasure you'll chance upon in these evergreen forests. They add character to the waterfalls, fringing Athirappally and Vazhachal, providing a much-needed camouflage to the mighty falls. During the monsoon, the Chalakudi River swells and thrashes below, and the waterfalls are a stunning sight. The overpowering waterfalls and the Sholaya ranges makes this one of Kerala's most stunning locations.